Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Today we need to create here this UI screen needed some data for the admin sites. First of all, we need to zone list and inside of that delete API we need to create. After we need to create the zone related area we need to write down here the data entry we need to create for the insert of the dot delete. First of all, we need to develop here the two tables for the zone and interconnect with the area. We need to create here the tables. First of all, we need to open here the my PHP admins. We need to open here and to open here the browsers inside to screens. We need to go inside the glossary database and we need to create here the first of all to write down here the new tables. Need to create here the zone detail. Go here and first of all need to write down here the zone id, create here the increments and now need to give the zone name at here. Then after we need to create here the status 30% to set here once and created dates, so set here the date time to create current timestamps and one more columns need to add here. First of all, so need to write down here the modify dates and to select here the date time types current timestamp. Now need to save these tables here. Okay, save now done and now need to create here the tables. Write down here this column date. Now need to write down here the area id, auto increment, write down here the zone id by default here the area name, the name property and to set here status contract created date modified select here the date types into that area the date time that here. Now need to save this table here and now need to zone details and to m2 because need to get the common structures, that's why I need to same. Okay, now need to save inside the users. We need to modify these tables passwords columns area ID. Here okay, now these two tables are the created. First of all, we need to area details tables and zone detail tables are to create inside the MySQL database. And now we need to integrate here the CRUD operations. So we need to get here set update delete and list we need to develop here. First of all, we need to write down here the copy this here or okay and to paste this here and to change this name here and to write down here brand change here zone cheers for the area here. Now change inside here. It is on. Go SQL query and to write down here the select query. Write down here zone ID and property. Change this table name, zone detail. Now need to now need to set here the zone ID returns here to the adapt. Okay, now this is the add API are the done here, and now need to get here the get API. We need to write down here. Write down zone ID. Here and this zone update API are the done here. After need to here on delete API else and after and this message on now need to create here the zone list API. We need to zone list name here on list API at the and we need to run here. How to run? We need to write down here Node.app.js like this. Run this app.js. Now connect database and to open here the postman and now need to apps. Now need to get here the folders and to and now need to set the add API and change this API. Go inside the body, write down the zone one name first one. Now need to fire this API here. Get here the now second zones we need to now need to here zones API we need to up here all CS and they're working good or not. Check here last year. Now need to fire this update API. Zone updated successfully. Need to return get this message here. Updates matter looking goods, and now need to zone list API need to call here. Call here the zone list. We need to get here the two zones value to get here, and after we need to get here zone delete API. We need to call here and this name. First zones are the and zone deleted successfully. For API with working goods here. Now need to create here the area API to develop here. Now need to get here the only one because when zone 1 ID you need to delete it. That's why not get here the zone 2. You now need to create here the area API. Need to here first of all so need to get here copy this for API and one by one we need to change this API to area add. So more parameter needs here non ID. Interlink between the zones so need to write down object. You want me to write down on ID. The comes adds here. One more question mark. Now need to check down. Write down here the no need to success. Now need to save this here. This add area API are the done. Now need to area updates API need to people need to write down area ID. Now this is the area update API for parameter. data here. We now need to create here the delete area. Area delete API. Now need to list API and need to join tables. We need to just need to set here. Let's join. On get it. On detail. On. Yes, we set first. Now need to get here. On ID equal to ID dot zone ID. Status. Now need to one column select. We now need to save these years and to start these node servers. That done. And now need to call here the postmans. Get here the get name area name why once we need to rename. Now need to API here. Right down here. Area add on the body. And on right down. Now need to API fire this API and area added successfully. Get this response. Now need to call here the area list API fire first of all, then after need to get API. Now need to write this wrong name. Now need to get this value here the area ID, zone ID and area name, zone name. Get this. Now need to create here the update API. We need to also inside the dates. Pass here the area ID. Write down. Fire this API and to area updated successfully. Save this. Now need to call here the area delete API down here. The save this and call this API. Area deleted successfully. This is the area related. We need to go for the select location screen. Need to get here. Need to create for the this API for use at the admin sites. So need to for this screen for need to develop this for API, the data entry API. Need to now need to call here the users apps need API create needs. First of all, need to write down here side need to side here. User app API need to start here, and first of all need to create here the list API. Open the screen and need to hire one API, and to get both data need to needs here. That's why I need to create here the people need to write down here the app dot methods need to create here URL form coded API develop here. Get here the zone and area. Now need to test response. Now need to helpers and name of the parameter body. After we to save the stop side test body. Now need to check here the DB query and to down here. First of all, need to go inside the admin controls and copy the select area API. Need to go here API and here write down here and query need to copy here area list API inside query here. Now need to go inside the here. Now need to pass this value first and to call the data table that need to set this all data types. Details first of all to set zone. Now need to go inside area details and store this area. Create here value in here. Now need to okay. Now need to the response. First parameter are the get errors, and then after write down your function operators. Now need to check here if error. Then need to helper dot throw YAML errors go here. Yes. Yes. Now need to write down here the for each loops. There, write down. Area. Now need to the result. Now need to write down some result. Second, down it data for the second index of get this value. Now need to write down methods need to the functions here and write down the table. Now need to get now need to operations. Set this area we need to here bind the inside need to area. And now need to return this response first of all to success response. And now need to put here but here 0 return success. Now need to restart this node. Start these servers and now need to fire this API inside the Postman and it's working good. So not need to copy this. Let's write down use and fix it. Cheers. On area and to save as sorry, sad we need to save to port GPU. The proper port. Now need to and to response we need to date issue check it. Need to find out it issue zone ID. Forget this, that's why. So now need to start this API here. Node servers start here and to check again the postman. And now need to get inside the zone ones, set the API or the done here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please hit subscribe buttons and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video or some contents early. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment section. I will help you and sort out your issue. And everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.